In this lesson, we'll learn about the application level commands that you can use to open other Microsoft Office applications. Generally speaking, you can use VBA to open other Microsoft Office suite applications. The reason being that VBA is a language built specifically around Microsoft Office programs. This allows it to access multiple programs such as Word, PowerPoint, and Access. Having access to these other programs, of course, grants the opposite. You can use VBA within Access to open up Excel. Using these tools allows you to create an entire automated workflow, from processing data in Access to exploring and creating a report in Excel. Learning how to use this application command to manipulate other Microsoft apps will allow you to save even more time in the long run, potentially automating almost everything that you have to do. As Microsoft Access is a database-oriented program, manipulation of data is very commonplace within Access. It has many built-in features, such as SQL capability, as well as other query-type tools that allow you to sort and to create new tables based on your dataset. Generally speaking, one would be more likely to use Microsoft Access prior to using Excel, creating the data that you're looking for and then exporting it from Access to Excel. In order to access Microsoft Access from Excel, let's take a look through this example. Notice that we're calling Access prior to application. This is because the application function is not located below. In point of fact, Access itself exists as a program, and launching it via application is the proper method to call the object and open it. As we step through each statement of this code, note that the actions that take place after each line is executed to better understand how each statement works. This is the key learning takeaway from this course.